the needs that our customers have for these larger and more complex enclosures are something that, we've adapted our capabilities to.
It seems like every year the electrical needs for these projects become more complex.
For example, on the West Coast, there's seismic challenges. Down on the Gulf, there's hurricane challenges, right? If you're along the ocean, there's salt and corrosion challenges. If you have to get a building to a mountain, you have to figure out how to get it to a mountain. Sometimes we've had to helicopter buildings in. And so each situation could be very unique.
I think our modular solution that essentially leaves our factories ready to go is a real game changer. We do all the testing in the factory, so we know everything electrically is wrung out and correct. Then we pack it all up and ship it to the job site. So essentially they just have to install it, reconnect everything, it's ready to go. Depending on where the site is, you've got limited access, you've got to deal with all the local labor, and you just don't want to spend any more time doing site work than you have to.
A lot of companies can do single-piece buildings. A lot of them can do multi-piece buildings. We can get into some pretty large multi-piece buildings and have delivered some monsters.
Not every building manufacturer can do a multi-section, no-floor, double-wide building, for example.
Got a building going with a grass roof right now, so you name it, the wheel of options is wide open, and we truly feel like we have a very strong team to deliver any needs for any of the customers out there.
It's nice to be able to take a call from a customer that has a requirement that they think, maybe we can't do. When they come to us and say, we need a building that's 180 feet long and 25 feet wide, can you do that? We can say yes. We've actually done that before. We've done it multiple times, and we can quote that for you.